it's me again. And I just checked the mail, so I'm heading back to the house. Now I'm going to show you that bird's nest that's actually in the gravel. Once again, there's the front of the restaurant. Not that bad of a place. The bird's nest is right over here by where the outdoor deck is at. And I have to warn you, this bird might come after me, which it has in the past. Matter of fact, it just stood up. I can't tell if it's in view or not, but there it is right there. The bird might start acting like it's wounded to lure me away. It's coming toward me right now. Oh, we got both parents here. Okay, so I'm just going to be walking this way. It's one thing I never want to do, and that's tick off Mother Nature, especially wild animals. Making wild animals mad is never a good thing, but since Mom and Daddy are over there, no. It's time for me to skedaddle. But anyway, I showed you the bird's nest. I hope you've seen it. So please rate and subscribe. Have a nice day. This is Dale Barman. See ya.